What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So today we're gonna get right into it. We're actually on our way to Studiorsr. They are a car shop that mainly works, I would say, on performance parts, not so cosmetics. So such as installing turbos, lowering your car, putting on roll cages, which is actually what we are doing today. So today we are going to be installing a rear roll cage, so you guys will see when we get there. And yeah, so let me show you guys a couple shots of how the back seat looks first without the roll cage, and then obviously once the roll cage is installed, hopefully we'll be able to get some videos of them actually installing it, and then I'll show you guys the before and the after. So stay tuned. Hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm really trying to push out these videos. I just got back from Mexico, so it's grind time, baby. Hopefully you guys like it. Let's do this. All right, guys, so we just made it here to Studiorsr, and we dropped off Mr. Thicky in the back. So as you can see, they are big on European cars. You got a quick M4 comp. We have another, I believe, M4 comp. We had an M5, good stuff. And then we have this M340i right here for the kid. And then check out this E92 over here. That thing is sick. Oh my goodness. But yeah, guys, as you can see, they are big on European cars here. Again, I am here to get my roll cage installed. Check out one of the workers' BRZ right here. Kind of reminds me of Chris Bork. Check this out. This color is super sick. All right, guys, so we're back. As you can see, the roll cage is now installed. As you guys can see, like I said, it is just a rear roll cage, so it does stop right behind the two front seats. It doesn't go to the front, which I personally like. So this is a 4-point roll cage, meaning that it's held by 4 points. 2 right behind the 2 back seats, and then 2 that go boom right into the back. So as I was explaining, it is a 4-point roll cage. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then of course in that corner 4. The way they did this, they cut open obviously the carpet to get to the main frame of the car. They drilled it there. They actually took out the side panel, which doesn't really bother me, to be honest with you, just so they can get to the back of this and mount it right there, obviously on both sides. What I like about that is that it's super mounted. And then some other stuff that you guys might want to know, obviously you can tell that I did not choose a color, or at least a bright color. I actually went with a color that I thought would go with any colors. It's kind of a gunmetal color. I honestly like the way it looks. It looks very slick. So do I like it or do I not like it? Personally, I like it. I like the look of it. Let me know what you guys think. Some of my friends and family don't like it for the simple matter that it did take up space and it did push these 2 front seats forward. So now if you drive, as you can see, I am pretty close to the steering wheel. But yeah, I'll show you guys the final product and how it came out, some simple shots, and here they are. like always, thank you guys for watching these videos. There are more to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.